Alright, to solve this number 2, we have rotate the triangle with the vertex of A, which is 1, comma 2, B 3, comma 4, C 5, comma 6 by an angle of 45 degrees. Counterclockwise around the origin, find the new coordinate of all the vertex. Alright, now they mentioned the word rotate, tells us that it's on rotation. Alright, and they give us the angle also too. Alright, so let's bring out the points, which is the first thing we're supposed to do. Should bring out the point. So we have the point. Our point A is given as 1, comma 2. Our point B is given as 3, comma 4. 3, comma 4. Our point C 5, comma 6. Point C 5, comma 6. And point D, okay, no, point D, okay, it's the triangle rather. It's the triangle. So I have let's say like a sketch of it. Let's say this is my point A, and my point C is giving us 1, comma 2. My point B, this is my point B, 3, comma 4, and point C is giving us 5, comma 6. Just an illustration. It's not drawn to scale, just an illustration. Alright, and they give us the angle also. Theta is equals to 45 degrees. Alright, so what are we going to do? Very easy. Alright, remember our formula, which is x prime is given as what? X cos of theta negative y sine of theta, and y prime is given as x sine of theta positive y cos of theta. Don't forget this formula, it's very, very important. Alright, so let's solve it. Now for point A, which is 1, comma 2, which is x and y, and the angle theta is 45 degrees. So we can say this is x prime is equals to, what's my x? My x is 1 here. So I have 1 cos angle, which is 45, negative y is 2 sine of the angle rather, angle is 45. So this is equals to 1 times 45, that's 1 times cos of 45. Cos of 45 is root 2 over 2, then negative 2, the sine of 45 is also root 2 over 2. Right, it's also root 2 over 2. So 1 times this is still root 2 over 2. Negative 2 can cancel 2. This is root 2. Alright. So to simplify this, we are going to have root 2 negative 2 root 2 divided by 2. Can either leave your answer like this or like this. Okay, we can still further simplify this. For rule of solve, once these two are the same, you add the this thing outside, then you pick one of it. Alright, so here there's a visible one here. That's 1 negative 2. We have negative 1. So I have negative 1 root 2 over 2. So this is going to be negative root 2 over 2. That's the first one. Y part, we are going to say what's the value of x? X is 1. Then sine of the angle, which is 45. So we have 45 degrees here. Positive, what's the value of y? Y is 2. We have 2 cos of what? 45 degrees also. So this is equals to 1 times sine of this is still root 2 over 2, and positive 2 times root 2 over 2 for 45 also. So this is equals to root 2 over 2 plus 2 can cancel 2 here. So we are left with root 2. So this is equals to root 2 positive 2 root 2 divided by 2. So this is equals to 3 as 1 plus this here. We have 3 root 2 over 2. Right, for the a prime, y prime, x prime, y prime for a, that's for a is going to be equals to negative root 2 over 2 and comma and 3 root 2 over 2. Right, for the a part. Alright, let's look at the b part. B part, the point is given as 3 comma 4 and the angle is also 45 degrees. Same formula. We have x prime is equals to x cos theta negative y sin theta, and for the y prime, this is x sin theta positive y cos theta. So x prime is equals to, what's my x? My x is 3. So we have 3 cos 45 negative, what's my y? My y is 4. 4 sin 45. So to solve this, we have 3 times root 2 over 2 negative 4 root 2 over 2. 4 root 2 over 2. So we can 2 here 1, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. So this is 3 root 2 over 2. 3 root 2 over 2 negative 2 root 2 negative 2 root 2. So to solve this further, we're going to have 3 root 2 negative 4 root 2 over 2. So this is equals to 3 minus 4. We have negative 1. So it's negative root 2 over 2. Alright, next one, we have y prime. This is equals to, what's my y? What's my x rather? X is 3. 3 sin what? 45 positive y is 4 cos 45. So this is equals to, this is 3 times sin 45 root 2 over 2 positive 4 times root 2 over 2. Alright, so this is 3 root 2 over 2 positive 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. We have 2 root 2. So this is equals to 3 root 2 positive 4 root 2 divided by 2. Alright, so this is equals to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, we have 7. 7 root 2 over 2. So for my b, which is x prime, y prime, is going to be equals to, what's my x? Negative root 2 over 2, and my y prime 7 root 2 over 2. Alright, for the part C, we have 5,6. We have 5,6. So part C, we have 5,6. That's the point. It's been stated here, 5,6, and the angle is still 45 degrees. Angle is still 45 degrees. Angle is still 45 degrees. So our formula, x prime is equals to x cos theta negative y sin theta. Then y prime is equals to x sin theta positive positive y cos theta, right, like this. So next, we know that this is x and this is y, so we can say that what is my value of x, which is 5. So this is x prime is equals to x is 5 here, then cos of what, cos of the angle, which is 45 degrees, negative y is 6, sine of the angle, which is 45 degrees also. So this is equals to 5 times what was my cos 45 is root 2 over 2, negative 6 times what was my sin 45 is root 2 over 2, right? This is equals to 5 times this is 5 root 2 over 2, negative 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3, we have 3 root 2. Alright, you can still further simplify this. I will have 5 root 2 negative 6 root 2 divided by 2. So this is equals to 5 negative 6. What do you have? Negative 1 root of 2 divided by 2. So this is negative root 2 over 2 for my x prime. Right, now for my y prime is given as x sine theta plus y cos theta. So this is, what's my x? My x is given as 5 sine 45 degrees plus, what is my y? My y is given as 6 cos 45 degrees. So this is 5 times the square root of 2 over 2, positive 6 times the square root of 2 over 2. Because cosine of 45 is root over 2 and sine of 45 is root over 2. So this is equals to 5 times this. We have 5 root 2 over 2, positive 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1, 3. This is 3 root 2. So taking my LCM here, I'll have 2 here. It's going to be 5 root 2 positive 6 root 2. So this is equals to 5 plus 6 is what? Is 11. 11 root 2 over 2. Alright, so this is my y prime. So my final answer is going to be x prime y prime is equals to negative root 2 over 2 and 11 root 2 over 2. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.